At Wilcox International Door Corporation, we keep your business moving. From high-speed doors to loading docks, we ensure facilities across North America operate safely and efficiently. More than a provider, we're your trusted partner in keeping your operations seamless and productive. We understand the challenges national businesses face: unplanned downtime, missed deadlines, and safety risks. When your doors or docks fail, operations stall. That's why having a reliable, nationwide partner is critical. Wilcox International offers fast, reliable solutions when you need them most. From emergency repairs to preventative maintenance, our expert technicians ensure your doors and docks stay operational and compliant. With our advanced digital tools, managing service across multiple locations has never been easier. With a national reach and local care, Wilcox International is your single point of contact for all door and dock needs. Whether you manage one facility or a network across North America, our team ensures consistent, reliable service to keep your business running smoothly. Our services include preventative maintenance, emergency repairs, safety and compliance checks, 24/7 emergency support. Whether you have a single facility or multiple locations, Wilcox provides scalable, tailored solutions to meet your needs. Our national clients trust us to deliver unmatched service and results. From major retailers to logistics providers, Wilcox International helps businesses optimize efficiency, reduce downtime, and improve safety nationwide. Why choose Wilcox International? With over 100 years of expertise, we offer a family-owned approach, combined with the resources to support businesses across North America. We're committed to your success, wherever you operate. Ready to reduce downtime, enhance safety, and streamline your operations nationwide? Partner with Wilcox International today. Contact us for a free consultation and see how we keep businesses across North America moving.